What's up, gang? Today we've got a full house, baby. We've got Tyler on the tools, we've got Brendan on the tools, we've got Adam in the wax room doing what he does best. So come on in, we'll have a look around. The furnace is on. So as you've all seen, the process, we've been welding together the goat and the soldier for Nick Albeck. We've got him on the surgery table. We're doing a little bit of surgery. So we're just going around cleaning up all the weld lines. As you can see, this leg, shin, foot was welded to his thigh. And what we're doing now is we're just going over with grinders, with Dremels, blending it all in. And as you can see, I need to stick a little bit of weld in there and then grind it all back so it's all nice and flush. It's getting patinaed and checked over on Monday, so it's a full weekend ahead because we really got to get it finished. So it's going to be early mornings, late nights. We're motherfucking savages, baby. We're doing the grind. We're going into the danger zone. We got, well, the wire wheels going. You got to put on these safety specs. So Tyler is working on this owl by Tanya Russell. And he's just fettling in the wing line, the weld line on the wing. The wing weld line, that's a bit of a tongue twister. This whole owl is going on a really long, slender base. And so we're going to have it all welded to the stainless steel subframe, and then it's going to be submerged into the ground and turfed over the top. So it's going to look like the base of the owl is sticking out the ground and it's just soaring through the sky. And then we've got Brendan over here. Carry on, man, you just carry on. Brendan's just fettling in this lovely little figure in there somewhere, but he's fettling in the little sections that we had to weld back into the figure. But he's doing a great job, and I can't wait to see the whole little piece finished. But concentration on that face. And Adam in here, well, you all know Adam. Adam is working on the Fowler rider for the Fowler horse. She's this lovely jockey that's on top of the Fowler. And we've got the finished one over here. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. So Adam's brilliantly fettled her. She gets them welded to the top of the horse, and then we have these lovely stirrups and reins that attach to the hand, etc. But yeah, we're going to tree that one up, put it in the shell room and get it ready for casting.